Hello, Doug Richards for U.S. LawShield, once again coming to you from beautiful Denver, Colorado. It's a cold January day, but beautiful nonetheless. Wanted to spend a few minutes today talking to you about misconceptions that a lot of gun owners have about their firearms. Right, now let's talk about the first one. If I shoot somebody on my porch, should I drag the body inside? Absolutely not. If you are in an incident where you have discharged your firearm and you've hit someone, do not touch the body. Leave it where it is. Call 911. Ask them to send the police. Ask them to send an ambulance, not just for the person that has been shot, but also for you. Ask that you be taken to a hospital, but under no circumstances should you touch the body, and definitely do not bring the body into your house or move it in any way. Number two, I can always shoot a dog that comes onto my property. That's absolutely incorrect. You cannot shoot an animal or anything or shoot anybody in defense of your own property. In that situation, if the dog's just coming onto your property and making a mess, you could not use your firearm to protect yourself or somebody else, because you can't use deadly force to protect property in Colorado. But if the dog was on your property, growling, was about to bite somebody, then you would be justified in using deadly force in that specific situation. Number three, a warning shot is the best way to scare off a trespasser. Absolutely not. Never ever fire a warning shot. I know it's done in the movies. I know some people might be told to fire a warning shot before you actually shoot somebody that might be a threat to you or somebody else. Do not ever fire a warning shot. There is no exception that allows you to fire a warning shot. You will find yourself in big trouble very, very quickly. And number four, if my gun isn't loaded, I can't be charged with a felony. That is absolutely incorrect. Doesn't matter if your firearm is loaded or unloaded when you point it at somebody. If they're in fear for their life, you have committed a felony called menacing. At the very least, you've committed a misdemeanor called disorderly conduct. So do not do it, and it doesn't matter whether the gun is loaded or not. And finally, restoring gun rights is easy, and there's a lot of literature on the internet that will tell you if you do this and you jump through these hoops and you send them some money and they'll send you a certificate that your gun rights have been restored. Don't believe any of it. If you have a problem in your past, such as a prior felony or domestic violence charge, and you're wondering whether or not you qualify to have your gun rights restored, call my office immediately. Let's talk about it. But it is very difficult to have your gun rights restored, and if you are wrong about your gun rights being restored and you're found to be in possession of a firearm, you will be charged with a felony. You could end up in a federal prison for that, so just don't do it. Make sure you utilize your membership. Call your program attorneys, call myself, call my office. Always happy to talk to U.S. LawShield members about these topics or anything else.